Second question from question number 5. The second question is this: what? Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. So just to take the LCM from the denominator, cos A 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A and cos A. So you can write cos square A, and from this side you will take the LCM and then after to divide. What will you got? 1 plus sin A. Just to explain, cos square A and A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Cos square A plus sin A square, just to separate, sin square A plus cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. Sin square A plus cos square is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 sin A upon cos A into 1 plus sin A. Take the common 2, 1 plus sin A upon cos A 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A, 2 upon cos A, 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A, 2 into 1 upon cos A is equal to 2 sec A. LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. RHS. This is your second question from question number 5. And the next question is what? Your third question. Just to start the third question. Your third question from question number 5. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. 1 minus cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta. Cot means cos theta upon sin theta. 1 minus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Just to take the sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, cos theta sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Sin square theta upon cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, and just like this, cos square theta sin theta cos theta minus sin theta. Just to take the common, minus sign. Sin square theta upon cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, one time you can write, and common minus sign, cos square theta, sin theta minus cos theta. At the place of cos minus sin, you can write like this, sin theta minus cos theta, and then to take the LCM, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin, and here is the cos. Sin will become cube theta minus cos cube theta. And then what will you do? Just to take AQ minus BQ. Formula is this, na? A minus B, A square plus B square plus AB. Explain this one at the sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta both will be cancelled. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. You can solve like this, no? 1 upon sin theta into cos theta, and also here sin theta cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Both will be cancelled. 1 upon sin means what will you got here? 1 upon sin means cosec theta into sec theta plus 1. This is your next question. And the next question is this. Your 4 question, 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. 1 plus sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos A. 1 upon cos A. You can write like this, na? Cos A plus 1 upon cos A upon 1 upon cos A. Both will be cancelled. And you got only cos A plus 1. In the next part, sin square A upon 1 minus cos A. You can write sin square 1 minus cos square A upon 1 minus cos A. 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A, 1 upon 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A will be cancelled, and you got 1 plus cos A. LHS is equal to RHS. Both are the equal, no? 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A, LHS and RHS. Cancel. And for the next question, just to solve the next question, you can solve easily. And I will solve the next question, question number 6. 5 just to do yourself, otherwise you can ask. Your next question is 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. Both in the under root. Rationalize the both like this. 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A. Both are the 2 times 1 plus sin A square, and the denominator 1 square minus sin square A. 1 plus sin A and upon cos A, because 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos A square A. After the under root you can write like the cos A. 1 upon cos A sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A means what will you got? Sec A, no? And sin A upon cos A is equal to tan A. LHS and RHS both are the equal. And what is your next question? Next question is what? Your next question is this now. Question number 7. Question number 7. Then how will you solve? This is your question. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Just to take the sin theta common, then 1 minus 2 sin square theta and the denominator cos theta. What will you got? Cos square theta minus 1. And what is the formula? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Is this your? And you can write like this कि 1 minus 2 and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta upon cos square theta minus 1. 1 minus 2 minus minus plus cos square theta upon cos square theta minus 1. Minus 1 plus cos square theta. Cos square theta minus 1. You can write like this na कि cos square theta minus 1 upon cos square theta minus 1. And here tan theta you can write like this, tan theta. Both this cancel, you got tan theta. This your LHS is equal to RHS. 7th question number 7. And the next question is what? 8th question. What is your 8th question? Say what is your 8th question? Do you know? 8th question is this what? Okay, this is your 8th question now. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to, you have to prove tan plus 7 tan square A plus cot square A. So first of all we will explain sin A plus cosec A in the form of sin square A plus cos square A. A square plus B square plus 2 B A square plus B square plus 2AB and separate sin square A. At the place of cosec square A you can write 1 plus cot square A. 2 sin A. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin A. Cos square A. At the place of sec you can write 1 plus tan square A. 2 cos A. At the place of sec you can write cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A. Separate both, and 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2. The value of sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, and separate cot square A plus tan square A. 2 to 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Then LHS is equal to RHS.